Hi everyone, I'm Nirnavashni, a second year engineering student, and today I'm here to demonstrate Vigil, which is a proactive multi-model AI agent built to resolve civic issues in India for the Gemini Live Agent Challenge. Here is the proof of my Google Cloud deployment. I've deployed it in Cloud Shell by containerizing my file into a Docker, and here are the API and traffic usage data as a proof. Now let us get into the demonstration. Here is my problem statement. Imagine seeing broken streetlight, a dangerous pothole, or an overflowing garbage bin in your neighborhood every single day. You know it's a hazard, and it is for millions of people in India. But you have absolutely no idea which specific government offices is possible, how to submit an official complaint that won't just get ignored, or how to follow up effectively to get it fixed. As a student developer, I built Vigil, which solves this problem by turning passive reporting into proactive automated action. As a resident, you simply take a photo and Vigil's multimodal AI does the heavy lifting for you. It instantly identifies the issue, determines the correct region and department, calculates the risk, and even schedules resolution deadlines directly into your Google Calendar while drafting the email with necessary official petitions. All to hold the authorities responsible without requiring you to be an expert in civic administration. Now, let us get into the demonstration. Once you press the link, the app goes live, and a login page pops up right here. And here is the best part about Vigil. Vigil supports multiple languages such as Hindi, Tamil, Kannada, and Telugu, which is essential for a diverse population like India and all around the globe, and ensures that language is never a barrier for resolving civic issues. Now, let me enter my credentials quickly. It even has a privacy policy page. Once you accept the policy and initialize the system,
Hello Nirnavashni, I am Vigil. How can I help you today?
the agent greets you, and here you can upload the evidence in three ways. One is by adding image from your files. Two is by recording an audio evidence which lets the agent process the data and create a draft for you, and it also has a live camera embedded with geotag. Now it has fetched my GPS coordinates, and it also has a map of your live location. So I'm from Salem. Now let me add a file of an issue. Once you press Analyze Situation, the neural processing of Vigil's multimodal agent starts to analyze the image. It uses Gemini 1.5 Flash access via Vertex AI API.
Hello Nirnavashni, I found a significant pothole on a public road, currently filled with water, which poses a hazard to commuters. This is a serious issue that needs attention, but it doesn't appear to be an immediate life-threatening emergency. Please press Create Draft to report this issue.
It has created a draft for me in both English and the regional language of the state which you have selected. So, and it has predicted a resolution date. Once you press Add to my Google Calendar,
I have marked the deadline on your calendar.
so it is by March 20th, right? So once I go and check March 20, it has been added, as you can see over here. And you can download the PDF for later reference. Once I press Reach in Draft,
Draft prepared. Please verify.
a draft will be prepared on the draft sections of your email ID. So here is the draft, and it has been pasted right here. If the issue is still not resolved,
I understand. I am escalating this.
the agent escalates the issue to higher authorities such as the district collector, and it creates an escalation draft as well in both the languages. Once you confirm the escalation,
The issue has been escalated.
it provides you with a reference ID, and if issue is still ignored,
I am drafting the RTI application now.
it files an RTI for you to resolve the issue as quickly as possible. Once you press Create RTI Draft,
RTI draft prepared. What is your next step?
you can, and if the issue is still not resolved, it goes and takes the final step, which is legal action,
Understood. Initiating Protocol Omega. Contacting Locutor.
and creates a specifically curated legally compliant draft just for the legal issue notice. Once you confirm escalation,
The issue has been escalated.
and if the issue is resolved, you can press Resolve Now, and it gives
Justice served.
you Vigil Points, which is a gamified user interface to engage users may use this app to solve civic issues in real time. I'm just a second year student, but Vigil proved that with the right tools like Gemini and Google Cloud, we can build the future of governance today. Thank you.